Alright, I want to make this quick. Today I'm going fishing with Nick, specifically for pike. So plan is we catch some big pike, bring a couple home, I do a nice catch and cook, and there it is. Alright, let's get it.
Dude, this thing's dirty.
You like it, eh? It's nice though, eh? It's not bad. Trailer's nice.
Can you slide the seat back at all or no?
No.
No.
No, but
that's the only thing that's a little that would be a little bit irritating.
What, the handle?
It's like because you're gonna be like this, you're gonna be driving like this.
I know.
You know what I mean?
That's what I was saying too. I know. And then it's left hand. Like I'll have to use my left, which sucks.
Oh, like mine's like that too.
Yeah. But yeah, that's ready to go, dude. I
Hey,
strapped
man,
the paddles. Like, see the floor? See, that's what I'm saying.
That's what we should have did.
There's so many flies. All right, the thing started.
Ride's pretty smooth, man. It's nice. A little tenor. This is more than enough, man.
More than enough.
More than enough. If I have money, I'll get like a 70.
Yeah.
The most.
Yeah.
50 to a 70.
First time open water. Let's go. Oh yeah.
You need a bigger rod to force them in. But if you have
How
a
big?
smaller
How
rod,
big is big?
like probably like this heavy rod.
Yeah.
The bait caster that I have, with like a bigger size reel on it.
Oh.
Like that's the smallest you could use. Chuck heavy ass musky bait.
And you just let them just fight, but those rods bring them in.
Those rods bring them in.
Yeah, yeah.
Our rods,
You do the figure 8.
oh, you scared me with that.
That's a creepy house.
Yeah, it's a creepy house. We went. We were fishing here the first time we came to Sparrow. It was like a dark, like rainy day, and I'm like, Jazz, imagine you see a face in one of the windows.
Send the jig right through it, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, double check that app a bit if you want. I'll just cast. I'll just catch the fish. This lure right here, you know what I call it?
What?
Lure Magic. Chartreuse orange jig head. Anything with an attractive tail. Oh yeah, buddy. You'll see it soon. I just got smoked. Yeah, of course. They only bite when you're not paying attention. Buddy, Lure Magic. What do you think? You caught more weeds or more fish your whole life? Alright, so no fish so far. And we just got checked by some OPP officers. And we're legit. Thank God.
Ryan was a nice guy.
Yeah, Ryan was a nice guy. He got mad because I kept calling him sir. But yeah, that's why I usually call cops sir, because I'm scared. Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm on there. Small. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe. I'm dragging her in. What is that? Oh, it's a little bite. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I don't want it. Nice. Alright, first fish, buddy.
First fish, there you go.
I don't know, I let it sink. And I just kind of just started reeling lightly, man. I'm just going light here. I had a little confidence because I saw it, so I knew that that thing was going to bite. I didn't want that fish. Too small. It's got to be a bit bigger than that, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I got to see girth. It's all about the girth. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
You on?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice size. Beauty size, Nick. Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
Classic. See? That's the pike.
Just keep them if you want. If not, put them back. Get a little picture of them or whatever on the GoPro and chuck them back.
Like, it's a good size.
He's a little small. Oh,
I want a bit bigger, you know? I want a bit bigger, but I could be being picky right now.
No, chuck them back, dude. We literally just caught 2 within like 5 minutes.
All these holes at the top of his head. Beautiful.
Nice release.
Right. Later, buddy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Fish. Right at the boat, buddy.
Keep her swimming. Keep her swimming.
Right at the boat.
Yeah.
Coax him all the way into the boat.
Come on. Yeah, classic. Here it is. Oh. Ooh, that's a keeper. It's a nice one. That is a nice one. Good job, Nick. They love it. Oh, I almost killed myself.
Easy.
Yeah.
Watch the tooth.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'm trying to help you out, buddy.
There you go. There you go.
That's slime. There you go.
That's a nice one.
That is nice. Tip of the week: bring sandwiches, so you don't starve like we used to. Starve for hours.
Food is such an underrated. Like we used to always forget about food.
Always. No,
And then you eat way too much McDonald's.
Yeah, this keeps you out longer for sure.
You know, you need like a bready sandwich. Wraps don't work. You know what
I gotta get you a t-shirt. All you need in ice is a bready sandwich and you're good.
That's right.
Oh.
Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Let's go, buddy. You gonna go flip him?
Wink.
You called that.
I called it. Yeah. Grab them right before the thing, and I'm telling you, you squeeze, they don't move.
Yeah, no, I hook him through the face. They're usually okay. I like gill him.
It's terrible. All right, buddy.
Thanks for coming.
I love it. I love this right now. This is great feeling after all the hunting skunks and everything. Just catching fish. This is, what a relief. Resets you.
Just have your own plane.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take my plane out today
Yeah.
for a nice ride or fly. That's pretty sick. And imagine his views.
Ew.
We're about done here. I'm gonna bring that fish back and clean it up and fry it. And Nick, you're coming back tomorrow, so.
Round 2 tomorrow, ladies and gents.
That's right. But for me, I'm gonna go home, cook that fish up. Woo! That's it! Alright, so I just got home. Got a little setup going on here. First thing I'm gonna do, a little different for fish, is I'm gonna cut in right here about an inch, almost an inch, just until I feel bone. And then I'm gonna take my blade. I'm gonna try to find this little spot here. I'll show you in a bit. But I'm just gonna go along this spine. You're gonna see some bones just at the top. You wanna just glide your knife just above those bones. Once you do that, you're just gonna have a little fillet just like that. That'll be like this part right here. And then you'll see these bones 2 and 3. Now this one's kind of hard to see sometimes. You want to cut in just on an angle. And because it's gutted, it's gonna be a little easier. And you want to just go along those bones. You'll feel them. Now, pike could be a little tricky, so every time I do my little fillets, I'll just rub my finger because I make mistakes, and I'll just feel for bones and cut them out just like that. And I'll go through each fillet. I'll rub my finger, look for bones. Like that. Most of them really don't have them. And there you go. Your fillets don't have to look nice, like they won't in this method. Just little cubes, whatever you want. See how white and nice this meat is. So I'm just gonna chop into cubes just like this right after I check for bones, and we'll get some frying going on. This right here is that back meat. Was that first cut I took? This is, like, you just feel how firm and nice it looks. Imagine that on a bigger fish, you know. But these are the nice pieces, and that's why I like doing it this way. Okay, after I got them all cut up, first thing I'm gonna do is I got a little hot sauce I made here. Just pick your favorite hot sauce, or I don't know, some weird people they'll use ketchup or something like that, but I'm just gonna dump it all in hot sauce, just like that. Usually I'll take my time, but right now I'm in a rush. Now I'll just shake it around. Make sure everything gets wet. It's actually hot sauce and an egg, and then I just beat it up a bit. And then I'll grab my flour. Put nothing in there. Put everything in here. This is a quick outdoor way. You can do this at camp, right off the dock, at your tailgate, whatever. Then mix it around and you can drop it in the fryer. So now that you can kind of see the oil smoking it a bit, you just want to turn it down just a little bit and then just drop in your fish. You'll see it bubble just like that. It won't be long, especially on high heat like this, before they're cooked. Already forming on this. Beautiful. The easiest, simplest thing to do. You just want to enjoy it with your buddies. Like I said, at your truck or camping, it's great. Basically, once you see everything turn about that color, maybe a little darker if you want, should be good to go. And now it's time to drain them out a little bit. Paper towel. This is where you'll see some bones sticking out that you missed. Always fine, just make sure you tell everybody. Sometimes you'll just like burn out the bones, you won't even, you'll just crunch through them and you won't even like, you won't taste them, you won't choke on them, nothing. You'll just chew right through and you won't even know. I'll just get your classic lemon first. Squeeze it on. And you want salt. Top it off. Just some parsley. And there you have it. Time to give this a nice taste. You won't find this anywhere. No restaurant, nothing. You gotta make it yourself. If you're new and you haven't cooked pike before, this is the way you gotta do it first. This is how I did it first. A lot of people do. All it is, like I said, Frank's Red Hot, egg yolk, mix it up, dunk the meat in there, shake it around, throw it in the bag of flour, drop it in hot oil. That's it. Easy, simple, anyone could do it. This tastes incredible. Oh, follow us on Instagram. Put the link below. We have our own website, rockyzone.ca. Check that out. There's some cool articles you might find interesting. Sorry, it's so good. And there's gonna be a lot of these videos, a lot of catch and cooks this year. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Until next time, be your own mentor.